Hi everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing the curly ear cat family and the curly ear cat babies tasty treats set. So these two sets are exclusive from the Sylvanian family's official UK online store, and they also had an offer where when you spend, I think it was £50, maybe 40, I can't remember, and then you get a free tote bag. So first I'm going to open the family. I really love the packaging. It's the same as the fine dining set, the kind of turquoisey blue and gold. So I think this is probably like a town style set. So you can see that they come with some furniture and a tea set. So let's open them. They are so adorable, and I could see their bushy tails sticking out the back. They're so cute. And I think seeing them in real life, they do look more like cats, because I remember when I first saw the photos of them, they kind of look more like a rodent, but seeing them in real life, they're so cute. And I love that they've all got their little matching outfits. So I've looked up what their names are. Oh, look at the back of her head, it's all like furry as well. So this is the mother, Charlotte. The ears, I love the ears. They're so different. The father, Claude. He looks very smart. And I love that in this family they're different colours. So the mother and daughter and the baby boy are grey, and then the father, brother and baby sister are this kind of like beige colour. So that's Claude. So the background in the packaging looks very fancy. It looks like a coffee shop. Then here are the children with their chair and coffee table, and they've got little teacups and saucers as well. Yellow, pink, green and blue, so they've got one each. So here we have our chaise longue. I love the colour and the fancy little details. So pretty. And the coffee table. This is the brother Elliot. And I really love that his trousers are like half white with blue spots and half blue with white spots. I think that looks really cool. And here is the sister Chloe. And then in here we have their teacups. So we have a yellow cup, and they'll have gold rims as well, and saucer, pink, green, and blue. So cute. So now let's open the Curly Ear Cat Babies Tasty Treats set. So even the babies have matching outfits too. So now let's open them. So we have the baby brother, Burrow. He's so adorable. And the baby sister, Marrow, which is a very cute name. So sweet, I love her dress. And then they come with some really cute little chocolates and treats, like macarons and a cake stand. So the background is very similar to the one with the family. And then here is our cake stand. And here we have all our lovely treats. So the chocolates are stuck together. So we've got 2 chocolates stuck together. Milk chocolate, white chocolate and pink chocolate. And then we've got macarons, yellow, purple and pink. It looks like a lovely tea party.